Alright, it's my turn here.
Okay.
We're not even gonna stop recording. We're just gonna straight up go.
Sweet. Okay. Well, then this will be the start of yours then. Okay.
Which means I have to edit your video.
Yeah.
In order to send it to you.
Yeah. I'm getting all the artsy angles with like music on the other side of this here.
You know what we're doing?
Yeah.
You're editing mine. I'm editing yours.
Mine, I don't want any editing at all. I just want to upload it
straight
raw
up
and
upload it?
uncooked.
Oh my god, that's what you're gonna call the video. We're cooking with Brennan raw and uncooked.
Yes. I will call it raw chicken heated to less than 160 degrees Fahrenheit.
Making chicken.
I will call it not Brennan, not health code violations.
Brennan, alright. Now, I know what you're thinking.
Yep.
Wally, pepperoni's right there.
Yes, I am thinking that.
You are explicitly thinking that, because I told you you were thinking that.
Yes.
But alas. Oh, shit, wrong drawer. Hold on. Point it at the counter.
At the counter.
Cup and crisp, baby. I mean,
Cup and crisp.
two.
Two Cup and crisps. Pepperonis.
Do you use up
It is the rule of two.
the rule of
Yes.
the rule of two?
Yep.
Pepperonis, not Sith. What were you thinking? Not put my hand in there. Get some pesticides on my hand, rather get it in my mouth than on my hand.
Alternatively, you should get
That's
all
what she said.
Alternatively, you should get all the pesticides on your hands and your food. I mean, do you really want to be someone who has
Pesticide free.
pests on their pizza or on their hands?
You know what? You make a good argument there, bro.
Yes. What if you have pests in your digestive tract? I have to clarify as a legal disclaimer, I'm not encouraging our audience to drink pesticides.
My
I think
audience.
it's necessary to say. Yes.
Yeah, always wash your hands
Yes.
with bactericides. This is completely different cheese.
Yeah, it is. It's called mozzarella, but secretly.
Smell this cheese.
Is it bad? Okay.
That should smell this cheese.
Well, yeah, I'm the camera, right? Oh, that does smell weird. Does it have an expiration date?
I hope so. Oh yeah, August. Well, it's okay though. I'll be fine. It just smells a bit strange.
But yeah, like obviously we haven't reached August 2022 yet, but has the bag reached August 2022?
Or the video, because if the video's reached it, then this pizza's gonna come.
Yeah, right.
That's how that works.
Yes, all this food is aged as for the same amount of time that this video is aged. So if someone's watching it in 2 years from now, we're going to die. Especially me, because I'm lactose intolerant.
Are you really?
Yeah, that's why I brought Lactaid.
Well,
But sponsored by the concept of Lactaid.
Concept of Lactaid. There we go. My pepperonis. And then my
Those don't even look that deep.
Well, they curl up during the process. You have
Oh,
4 minutes on your pizza.
That's weird. Yeah. Let's check in with my pizza. Yep, still there. Okay, me saying still there to my pizza, that was so funny, and you completely missed that. I did that just for you, Wally.
Still there. Where the fuck is it gonna go, right?
Let me have the camera flip the wrong way. Hold on. Let me flip it back. Yeah, there we go. Okay, this is confusing. This is a complicated device you have here.
Yeah, I know, it's a little bit bigger than a phone.
Yeah. Yeah,
It's not like you've ever used one of those
it's
before.
about the same width, but like in terms of the depth here, it's a little bit.
2 minutes!
Ah!
How did the pepperoni fall off?
Oh, how did it fall off?
It fell off and flew.
It did a backflip.
Oh, something you missed. I dropped my pizza.
Oh yeah, there was a pile of cheese like right here. Yeah. Get the pepperoni. Get it. Get the pepperoni. Yes.
I don't know what to do with this. That's where the other one is. That's where I'm gonna put it.
Cool.
I should probably
No. Okay. Careful. Easy does it. Just a small cut right through the middle. Okay. Oh, oh. Careful. This looks like a vital organ. Okay. 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 The first cut is completed successfully. Don't go too deep. Uh-oh. How's your hand?
It burns.
Oh, no.
I understand what you were going through.
Yeah. Remember, be very precise with these cuts. The pizza does have a family. It needs to get back to it.
You already ate its family.
Success.
You already ate its family.
Oh yeah, I guess I did. Okay, so you can botch this surgery however you want to then.
All right.
Perfect. 2 perfect halves. 2 perfect, completely equal. Ignore that extra space there.
Look at this pepperoni on it.
Very good. Yes, good. Give in to your feelings. Harness the power of the dark side.
Darth Sidious?
Have you ever heard the tale of Darth Pizza the Wise?
That was so chaotic. I felt very Vine-ish. Darth Pizza the Wise.
Yes. You know, there's actually like a Sith Lord at some point. I don't know if this is true. I saw it in a Facebook post. See, actually, you know what? I'm 100% sure it's true. There was a Facebook post about it was like a Darth Lord or whatever who was very powerful because he used the Force to like hold his body and all his organs together. So people would like slice him with like a sword or whatever, and then he'd be like, "Nah, I'm fine," and he was like immortal. Apparently, so I heard. Okay, how do you zoom here? How does zoom work?
A little thing over on the side. Yeah.
Thing on what?
Yeah.
What the thing on the
That
Oh,
thing, yeah.
oh,
You
this?
just pull it
Oh,
out, yeah.
cool. That's what mine used to have, and then my new camera does not have. How is it?
My mouth hurts. I think
Yeah.
that's a good place to end this.
Yeah.
Subscribe, like, goodbye.
Yeah, this is very blurry. I don't know why it's so blurry.
Because it's a shit camera.
That makes sense.